To participate in World Robot Olympiad competition, the first thing you have to do is form a team of 2 to 3 members. And while forming a team, please check the age criteria for each team member based on which category of Robomission you are participating in. Then you need a coach, and the minimum age for the coach is 18 years old, and without coach you cannot participate in this competition. And then the next thing you need is the hardware to build the robot. So you can use an XT, EV3, Spike Prime or Robot Inventor set for that. And there is no restriction for the software. You can use any software platform to program your robot. Then you need the WRO brick set, which will be used to build the game elements. Then you need the WRO game mat and the table. And at last, you have to register your team. So for that, you can visit the WRO official website where you can search the national organizer for your country. So you will get all the details there. Thank you so much.